Hello there, Scott Milgram up here at SkipperBud's in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. Here's one of our newest listings, 2015 Moomba Mojo. See, it's a blue flake here. It's on a tandem axle trailer. Does have a tower speakers and board racks. Does have the surf system on it. It does have a swing away tongue trailer. Alright, here we are in the inside of the 2015 Moomba Mojo. See plenty of room throughout. This is a surf edition. Does have a ski pylon on it. Board racks along with a couple of Roswell Tower speakers, as well as a bimini top. Here you can see your dash. Boat does have 250 hours on it, so lots of life left. It does have a wake plate as well as the auto flow surf system. Boat's rated for 17 people. Lots of friends to come out and surf with you. All right, there you have it. One of our newest editions that's available now. Give us a call. Happy to answer any more questions, or if you're interested, please let us know.